Welding 360 here. I'm working on the revolving sign again. I'm going to solder these wires with the fittings. So next clip will show those fittings, those wire connections soldered to these wires. Welding 360 here back. I got done soldering them onto the wire, the electrical connections. Now I have to bolt this into the switch somewhere. Yeah, it bolts in. Wait, it over there somewhere. But yeah. So next clip will show that bolted in, and then we'll go from there. Welding 360. Just got done bolting the battery connector thing. Now I had to put batteries in it and to the battery holder, and then hook it back up to this. So next clip that will show the batteries put in the battery holder and the battery holder hooked up. Welding 360 here back, putting the batteries in the battery holder, and now it's hooked up. And now we have power. You probably can't see, so but now we have power, and now the motor works. But I gotta finish hooking up the mechanism for the sign to spin, but it's in there, the motor's in there, and it's all wired now. Next I gotta wire the cooling fan to this switch. So next part is wiring the fan. So yeah, I'll show you. I gotta take the fan off and then solder that other battery thing to the switch. So yeah, next clip will show that wired up and on. Welding 360 here, I'm back. I just got done soldering the wires together to the switch. Watch this. It's very quiet, but it works. And the only time I really need to run that is if I had the motor running for a long time. So most likely it wouldn't be running for a long time. So yeah, now we have this now. The motor spins, and now we have power to the cooling fan. The next step is to figure out how to hold these battery clips down. So I have that metal over there, and I'm going to figure out something. So next clip will probably show something like that, and also show the switch fired up, bolted back into where it's supposed to be. So yeah, the next clip should show something different with this. Something with the batteries being held in. Battery clips being held in. Welding 360 here. Just got done clamping down this piece for the battery packs. So the next clip will show it bolted together and this piece cut and clamped and ready to have holes drilled through it. So yeah, next clip will show this bolted down. Alright, I'm back. I just got done bolting it down. Next piece I gotta cut this and then bolt this piece down, and then use what's left over from this piece to put right here. So next clip will show this bolted down. Welding 360 here, I'm back. I just got done bolting this piece down, and now I gotta do something with this piece for the battery packs. But yeah, it's coming along. So I'm gonna put it back together and figure out where this piece needs to be mounted for the battery packs. So next clip will show this piece bolted. bolted up and the whole revolving sign put back together. And then the next step is working on the mechanism, which I still gotta figure that out yet. So that'll be in a later video. But yeah, the next clip should show this piece bolted down. Welding Finish 60 here, I'm back. Yeah, the battery packs are all bolted in, mounted. Yeah. So yeah, that's it for this revolving sign video. Because I gotta figure out the mechanism. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Welding 360 out.